Hello, these are the items that I'm using to create my makeup look of the day. I'm going to just show you the finished look that I created with these items, with the brush, the eyelashes, and this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I will list the prices of each item. Hello everybody. So this is a makeup look that I did for today, a smoky eye. I used the One Piece 12 color makeup in the natural nude. $5.49. Got this from Temu. I I use this color here, and then I use this to smoke out the eye. Okay. And so I'm really loving these palettes. It's very easy. It goes on smoothly. This is a great go-to palette. You want a natural look, or you can, brighten it up a little bit with these colors here. Just wanted a smoky eye look today. So this is the Naked palette, Nakeds. I think that's what they're calling it, Nakeds. I think that's an S. 12 color eyeshadow. I did the look with these little brushes, and this is the 8-piece portable soft makeup brush set for eyeshadow in the lime green. Look, $1.39. Temu has a lot of stuff that's low, the lower prices under $10. You can get up there with a little bit of money and just have a ball, just spend, spend, spend. But you will be spending a little bit of money, y'all. And to top it off, these lashes. These are the Manga lashes. This is the 5 pairs Manga lashes right here that I did. And they were only $1.69. They're handmade, they're cute, they light. It isn't too much lash, it's just a little pop, just a little bit, not too much. I know some people do double their lashes up, but I think for me, this is good enough. This is good enough. I like it. $1.69, y'all. So don't forget that you can get 30% off your entire purchase if you use my code, and that's for first-time buyers, first-time customers. And you can get a lot of this stuff that I was surprised when I got on Temu. All the stuff they have available that's low in price, but the quality is so good. What y'all think about this look? It's nothing over the top. Click the link in the description box and get yours, y'all. Free shipping. You can't beat that. Also, download the Temu app, and that way it makes it easier for you to purchase. You know, especially when you're on the go and you see something cute and you just want to purchase. Download that app. Okay, you could shop hundreds of items for under $5. $5, y'all. Under $5. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all, and I will be back soon. Bye now.